You gonna say?
Monster poop.
Monster poop?
Yes.
No, what's Felix doing?
I know this is my room.
Well, go tell him to get out.
Okay. Whoa, fear. Get out!
You don't like Felix on your bed?
No.
No.
My cars.
Your cars. What's in there?
Oh, my toys.
All your toys?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, bus.
All right, you ready to go to bed?
I'm looking for bus.
You're looking for Buzz. I don't know where Buzz is.
Hey, bus.
Buzz is right there. Look. There he is.
Bus!
Buzz!